with focus. Alright, so I'm wearing the Detroit jersey that Brody gave me. It's needs this fixed and a couple other things fixed, and we're going to do a video on fixing jerseys soon. First thing I'm going to open is a package that Anna sent me. It's been wrapped like 20 times. This time I remembered my box cutter. See what we got here. Cotton candy. Huh?
That's a big bag of cotton candy.
It is a big bag of cotton candy. I'm going to put the sharp object down for now. Colorado chocolate rocks.
A what?
I think this is the same.
What? Those are weird. Oh my gosh. Gabriel's gonna get the biggest kick out of that. I'll fish him. Wait.
Chocolate rocks.
That's so fun.
More packing materials.
Figure out how to open it.
Well, they're not America balls, but they're Skittles. Holy crap. The hockey guy's gonna have to go on a bunch of jogs for this one. I'm saying it before anybody else does. Oh, sweets and sours.
What?
Right side. And the wild berries.
Wild berries sounds fun. I don't even know what that means. Right side.
Right side. I don't know. I've looked at them before. I don't know that I've ever bought them. And then
Pink
oh,
lemonade. That sounds fun.
grasshopper pie.
What?
Almonds grasshopper pie. Yeah, I think that's it for that one.
That sounds scary.
Sounds awesome, is what you're trying to say. I think, yep, that's it for that. Now, there's one here I'm curious about because it's addressed to me from me.
Maybe it's from you in the future.
I hope it's from me. I hope it's like Dwight. I hope it's like Jim with Dwight.
There you go.
Somebody poisoned the coffee. No, don't drink that. You'll thank me later.
It's like a bear.
Oh, sweet.
Look. That's really fun.
Canucks flag. Or flag.
Scarf.
Scarf. So used to flags. Canucks scarf.
That's funny.
That'll go with Buffalo slugs. I don't have a Canucks scarf, no.
Yeah, you have the...
So, thanks
and...
thanks me. It just says Vancouver. So it came from Vancouver, so
That's fun.
thank you. I don't know where it came from. This one I know exactly what this is. And this is with great thanks to Justin, no, Daniel. I'm getting crossed up. This is so weird. I just have to say this is so still strange to me. I got business cards today too. Business cards are downstairs, right?
No, I brought them up here.
Oh, did you? Excellent.
I swear I brought them up here. Oh, where I put... Oh, Shadow. They're behind Shadow. That's why I couldn't see them.
Okay. Being very, very careful with this. I now have all 31 teams. And this immediately becomes one of my favorites.
It's all sparkly.
It is fantastic.
That is very sparkly.
Isn't that nice? It's got the
Yeah.
pattern in the gold there.
Yep, I can see it.
Oh, that is sweet.
Sparkly.
I don't understand why stores aren't carrying Golden Knights more than they are. As in, not at all. So I now have the jersey of the only undefeated team in NHL history. They are still undefeated through 3 games. Next time I talk about Vegas, I have a Vegas jersey to wear. Want to look at it?
Yes, I do.
I also want to talk while I'm talking to you guys about jerseys and whatnot. We were at the Canucks store last night talking to Brody, who gave me this jersey and the Dallas one I wore last night. We were talking about the Fanatics jerseys. He showed me the Fanatics jerseys that he had there. Turn that a little bit. So we looked at the Fanatics jerseys, and I like them actually. No, the logo is a little different, and it's not the same as it's been on other jerseys, but I actually kind of like it. I think comparing the Adidas to the Fanatics, I'm far more likely to collect the Fanatic jerseys.
Mm-hmm.
Just personally, but this Vegas is sweet. So, for that one's for me. For yes, for Daniel from Temecula.
I can't read right now.
Oh, never mind. It's from California.
I can't see.
Greatly appreciated.
I can't see.
I now have all 31 teams. So there you go. I now have Vegas. And I intend to discuss Vegas today. But I have some other stuff to discuss today as well. But I intend to start wearing that jersey. So what time is it? It's time to wear a Vegas jersey is what time it is. So thank you very much, Anna. Thank you, me. And thank you, Daniel. I don't even know what to call this other than just Christmas. When subscribers are sending me items, it's something that is so amazing and awesome and fun, and it's one of the best things about having a channel is my ability to do stuff like that. So yeah, in honor of that, I will be doing a giveaway on my channel using the figures I got from NHLfigures.com through promotion that they allowed me to partake in return for me doing giveaways to you fine people. So watch for that later today. But for now, this is me, the hockey guy, and yes, while I'm at it, excuse me, Shadow. Right here. There you go. I now have business cards. So, pretty happy with how they turned out. And, yeah. I don't know how exactly it's going to work with me handing them out. I don't know how it's going to work, but I have them.
Out to random people you find on the street.
I'm not going to do that.
Hey, you want my business card? Hey, you.
You could do that with homeless and panhandlers. Here you go. Thanks. Thanks for being a subscriber.
Welcome.
Thanks for being a... That's better than money. That's better than money. That's knowledge. You can't put a price on knowledge. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Hit like and subscribe if you're browsing your way through. And thank you so much for being out there. It makes it worth being in here.